Emily, sweetie pie, our porridge is almost ready. It smells really good. Now let's turn off the gas and take our pot off the stove. Breakfast ready, pumpkin pie. One for me and one for you. Wow, it looks really good. Here you are, Emily. All right, Emily, let's get you into your seat. Here you go. First, let's take the dummy out. Good job. And here's your napkin. Here you go, Emily. Wait for me, Emily, okay? I need to wash the saucepan. I'll be back. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. All clean now. Emily, how's your porridge? Oh no! You're all dirty now, Emily. Okay, let's place a napkin here. And get her out of the chair. Oh, Emily, we need to change your clothes now. All right, Emily, let's get you changed. Off we go. Well, Emily, here's your clean, fancy purple romper. First, we dress her legs. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Here's a t-shirt for you. All right, let's close it all the way up. And our romper. All done. Oh, and one more thing. Well, here you go, Emily. Now I need to go wash your clothes. You wait over here for me, okay? Let's load the washing machine. Okay, I think it's all clean now. We can turn it up. Let's open up the washing machine and take out the clothes. They're all clean. Now let's hang our clothes. First the coverall, and now the napkin. Let's check on Emily now. Hello, Emily. How are you? I've missed you. Look what I have, Emily. I have a sheep, a pig, a cow, moo, a horse, neigh neigh, and a rooster, coo 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 coo. Hello, this is Mr. Sheep. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Mwah. It's a pig, oink oink oink. It's a cow, moo. It's a horse, neigh neigh. And it's a rooster, coo 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 coo. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Oh, Emily, our clothes must be dry now. Let me go check. Oh, they're all dry now. It's time to iron them. We're done with the napkin. We're folding it. Now let's iron the coverall. And we're done. If your doll likes to make a mess, don't forget to do its laundry. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.